Hello, this is Soren. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I am from Haibo Manufacture and we manufacturing backpack, bag and luggage. Nowadays, more and more people likely to have bags everywhere when they go traveling and for business traveling and for some short trip. Okay, today I bring two backpacks for you. This is the first type of backpack I would like to introduce to you from our manufacturer. Yeah, we are 17 years back and luggage manufacturer, so we are experienced in this area. The first type of bag is a nylon material bag, and the main material is nylon, and you could see the PU coating around. Yes, that's the main material, and I would like to show you the whole structure and the components of this backpack. So the whole look, that's a normal daily bag we need to use every day. You can see the front with two pockets, and here we can have our notebooks, the big size notebooks here, and here we could have our ID card or our passport. Yes, and the card for transportation here. My left hand pockets here. That's a relatively small size pockets. That's the two pockets in the front panel. As a daily bag, we suggest the students and businessmen use because it's very convenient to carry, and it's a very popular design in school and in business use. The compartment will be like this. The bag can be open 180 degrees. So it's very easy to open and have your things into the backpack. And you could see many dividers, and each divider has its function. I will show you right now, okay? First of all, as a student and a businessman, we usually need to take our, what's this? Okay, this is laptop, right? Here is the laptop area. We have this band and can make the dividers more stable. And here is the laptop area. We can have this here. And we could have our iPad on the second layer. And we can have this band to fix here so it can not be moved and shake. Also, we may need to take some books when we go to school, and we need to take some documents to our office and the company. And we can have some magazines and documents and books in the main compartment. And we can close, we can zip it. Also, here is a special design for our phone. Here you could see a USB charging area. Yeah, you are right. Here is a power bank. You can take your power bank into the backpack, and if your phone is out of battery, you can connect the USB charging area anytime to get power. Right? It's charging now. It's very convenient. Also, here is the inner pockets. We can have some private things here, like bank card and charger things. We can have our purse here, and we can have our other phones here. It's very safe. Next, I would like to show you the other function of this bag. We can also take it as a travel bag. Yes, for business lover, for businessmen and traveling lovers. We also introduced this bag because the backpack is expandable. Here is a single zipper, and we can make a circle pull. Now we can fully expand the backpack. The backpack capacity is between 20 liters to 35 liters. When I pull the zipper and expand the bag capacity, it's more bigger than before, right? Okay, now it's more likely a traveling bag. For business trip and traveling, we can take our clothings like 3 to 4 days, and we can have our makeup bag, the wash bag, and the clothing. Right? So you could see very obviously the capacity of this backpack. It's expandable. Okay. Yes, today my share is finished. This is Soren. I am very glad to have you good introduction. Yes, I come from Haibo, and we are manufacturer of bag and luggages. If you are interested in any kind of products, we are welcome to OEM and ODM service. Now I would also like to show you on my own.